Okay, great. Thank you. Welcome back. I hope you've been well. All right, what we have here, obviously, Coast Guard. It's the only orange helicopter in the sky, March 17. Just doing the, not necessarily routine. He comes in only to look for these UAP drones, AKA dragons. I call them dragons because 4 or 5 years ago, I thought they were dragonflies. So he comes in, and when the Coast Guard come in, they usually come in for like 30, 45 minutes, sometimes an hour. They do a very thorough job. They just don't come in for a minute or two. There's the Coast Guard apparently working with the lifeguard. Now you could say they were on a training, and maybe they were on a training, but nevertheless, the UAP, the dragons were there, and everyone got tagged, and that's the video. Let's go to the next. Super, March 18th. So what we have here, we have a black and white helicopter. It looks like the LAPD police helicopter, but it is not. It's the Channel 9 News. They paint their helicopter to look like a police helicopter. I don't understand what that's about. I really don't want to know either. But it comes in, and the news choppers, they do come in, but they're very rare, very hard to find them. And so they just don't want to be seen. They just do not want to be seen. So very politely, he did fly by the camera, and there's the UAP drones, the dragons tagging them. And a tag is when the drone flies by. Look at that one right there, flew right past his engine. So just a quick update. All right, let's go to the next. Okay, great. March 24, we got a Black Hawk coming in real slow. Very slow, even though this is slowed down to 12%. Look at the top, you'll see it go by. Kind of hard to miss, because there's the drone. It's pretty far away. It's on the other side of the Black Hawk. Same speed, 1,700 miles an hour, no sonic boom, recorded 4K, 60 frames. He's looking, and he's just, obviously, nobody's seeing anything. They'll show up on your flare camera, but you're visually not going to see it, and you're not going to hear it. You need some sophisticated sound equipment. Maybe that will be for researchers in the future. But just want to keep you updated on what's going on. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, great, thank you. So these are the 5 observables. If UAP is real, it has to be able to do all 5 of these. The UAP, aka dragons, and Marina Del Rey drones are doing all 5. Now number 3, the speed Mach 5. So these drones are doing 2.5, but I think they could go a lot faster. They're doing 2.5 because even with 4K 60 frames, if they're going any quicker, I would not be able to record them. So as a courtesy, they're slowing it down to 2.5 Mach, and the other 5, but they're basically doing all 5s. All right, let's go to the next. Okay, here's the LAPD chopper coming in, specifically looking for the UAP. He gets tagged 2 or 3 times. That drone right there is flying uncloaked, but right here it does fly cloaked. So cloaked or stealth. So if you look at this one right here, it looks kind of like a brown mist. So what I wanted to point out, because I just figured this out not too long ago. So these things, when they do fly cloak, they have the ability to actually turn themselves into an orange mist, an orange cloud. But you have to be focused in on it, and that's close to impossible. Although I do have those pictures, it's close to impossible. So from a distance, when this thing is cloaked, the orange mist mixed with the blue sky creates a brown tone. And that's why they look brown when they fly by. Even though that's like 1 and 1 is 2, I just recently realized this after several years. So that's why it looks kind of brown, copper-like. So please remember to like, subscribe, comment, Instagram, Custodian Files. I'd love to hear from you. I thank you for watching. Thank you for your curiosity, your respect. I'll continue to bring you the best video I can. Until then, stay safe. Thank you again.